Alright guys, this video is for the DT-02 CW Creations, CW01 Creations Speedrun Challenge. We're running a surpass or a super stock Chinese knockoff motor with a 1060 ESC and URGENEX 5200 mAh 70 C-bit LiPo 2S. We got a little brake. We're just going to do it in our driveway. The intention was to run it with our new Surpass Hobby ESC, but it blew up when we were installing it. If you saw our weekend repair, you probably saw that. Hopefully this is not awful. First time I've run this motor. Battery was only on the bench for a minute, so it should be plenty enough. Now it is Saturday, and you never know what the road's going to be like at my house, so this could be a quick run and done. Wait for all these cars to go by. Hopefully nobody runs it over. This road you never know. Especially with a light like this, you might not even see it. Dang it! Ah! Fast forward through all this. Good time. Full throttle car. Never fails, never fails. Oh, well, we'll give it one more shot. Goats are calling me. They must not have got enough corn tonight. One more shot. The grass is too tall for these guys. Well, I got full throttle, so hopefully nobody hits me. And then we'll tear it apart, or let you see what's inside. Verify I'm 2S, and I'm following the rules. Now we're probably going to put a surface in there, and if we are lucky enough to get a replacement, they want me to send it back so they can see what's wrong with the ESC that I got. Now, it's the first time I've had a problem with surpass, so I'm pretty surprised about that. I just had to do one quick one. And I think we're done. Just spinning in the grass. This car, you saw how sturdy it was. That's amazing how good that is. That's stock everything, you know. Well, maybe not. So we're just spinning in the grass. I'm holding the suspense. This thing is awesome. I'm not sure I got it up full speed for very long, but it's long enough for the GPS to figure it out. And we'll look at it right here. Alright, what do we got going on? Well, that's much better. 30.2. You guys see that? 30.2. That's not a bad run. And we're using the 1060. And it's 2S. See, 2S 5200 And we're using the brushed. So put us down. That's 30. We haven't gotten that 40 yet, but that's closer. That's closer. I'll see you when I see you guys.
Peace.